Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon French toast sticks. And so I just have 3 eggs here. This is about 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of milk. And we'll just whisk that up really well. Take a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm going to shake some cinnamon in there. I'm going to set this aside for now. And then I have my bread. This is a Texas toast style bread. You can use whatever bread that you want. I like using a thicker bread. It just makes the sticks turn out better, I think. And now let's cut off these edges. And then I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna cut these in thirds. And what you'll do is you'll just take it and you'll just dip it in there. Helpful to use tongs. You could use your fingers if you want. And now I'm gonna add some butter, about a tablespoon of butter. And just put that on the pan. And once the butter melts and the pan is hot, we will take these and we'll put them on there. And now we're just gonna brown each side. Just take them off the heat and put them on a plate. And now once you have them all cooked, you can take them and you can use either your fingers or if you have clean hands, use those and just roll them in the cinnamon sugar mix. Certainly come in here with the tongs and do it. Put in some maple syrup. And then you have some little finger food cinnamon French toast sticks. You can dip in there and eat them. Pretty awesome. Yeah. So good.